Christmas, I made a nut roast with 100 grams of mixed nuts, 200 grams of mushrooms, onions, peppers and garlic sweated down, all in a bowl with cumin, pepper, paprika, curry powder, mixed herbs, whatever you like. Of course, there's sage and soya sauce. And then my sister reviewed it and told me what she thought about it.
This nut roast is moist, nice, even flavour, and it literally is, I think, the best one that I've ever tasted. And I'm not just saying it, but it is, because it's not like those dry ones that you have in the shops. This is moist and it's got a nice flavour. Well done, I'm glad I'm having it.
Thank you, sis, for the lovely feedback. So guys, it was a bit of a sad one. My dad passed this year, so this Christmas, no daddy. But listen guys, happy holidays. Have a wonderful 2023.